Hello dear friends, today we are going to continue our third part of this chapter, units and measurements. So in the previous two parts we have discussed what are the basic concepts of units, different types of units like SI units, and some problems from the previous NEET questions. In the last class we were discussed the basics of accuracy, precision, errors, etc. Now we are going to deal some problems from those sections. So first question is like this: a screw gauge has the least count of 0.01 millimeters. So you can write the least count LC is equal to 0.01 millimeter, and there are 50 divisions in each circular scale. So the number of divisions is 50. And the question is that what is the pitch of the screw gauge? So we have to find the pitch of the screw gauge. So you know what is pitch, it's our question. So least count, there is a formula to find least count from pitch and number of divisions. Least count is nothing but pitch of the screw gauge divided by number of divisions. So from this equation we can find what is pitch. Pitch is equal to least count into number of divisions. So least count is here 0.01 millimeter and number of divisions is 50. So the answer is 0.5 millimeters. The options were like this. First option is this 0.01 millimeter. Second option is 0.25 millimeters. Third option is 0.5 millimeters, and fourth option is 1.0 millimeters. So among this the correct option is 0.5 millimeters. Moving to the next question. Here in an experiment, the percentage of error occurred in the measurement of physical quantity is, while measuring a quantity A, its percentage of error is 2%, while for A it is 1%, for B it is 2%, for C it is 3%, and for D it is 4% respectively. Then the maximum percentage of error in the measurement of x. So there is an equation given in it, x is equal to a square b raised to half by c raised to 1 by 3 d raised to 3. In this measurement of x, what is the maximum error? That is our question. So if there are if there are multiplication or division while calculating error, you should take the relative error or percentage error. And if there are any exponent terms, you have to multiply the power with the percentage error. So all these things that we have mentioned in our previous class. So the percentage error in the calculation of x is, look at the power of a square. So here power of a is square, so you have to write this 2 times the delta a by a, that is percentage error of a, plus, if there is multiplication then you have to add the relative errors. So plus power of b is 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 times the percentage error of b. If there is multiplication or division, you should add all the relative errors that we have discussed in our previous classes. So just since there is a division, yes, you have to add that error from the denominator part also. So which is 1 by 3 times delta C by C, which is in percentage, plus 3 times delta D by D in percentage. Okay. So the value of delta A by A in percentage, that is given, which is 2%. The errors are already given in percentage forms. So just you need to multiply those values with the present exponents. So 2 into percentage error of A is 2%, sorry, 1%. So it is 2 into 1 plus 1 by 2 into percentage error in B is 2% plus 1 by 3 into percentage error of C is 3 plus 3 into percentage error of D is 4. So 2 into 1, 2 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into 2, you can cut this 2. So it is 1 plus 1 by 3 into 3, again you can cut those terms. So this is 1 plus 3 into 4, 12, that is 12 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2, that is 12 plus 4, that is 16%. All these factors are given in percentage. So 16% is the error in the measurement of the value of x. The options were A, which is 10%, B, which is 3 by 13%, option C 16%, and option D minus 10%. Here the correct answer is 16%, that is option C. Now to the next question. Student measured the diameter of a small steel ball using a screw gauge of least count 0.001 centimeter. So the least count 0.001 centimeter. Look at that, the least count is in centimeters. The main scale reading is 5 millimeter. Okay, so the main scale reading or head scale reading is, sorry for that, not head scale, but it is the pitch scale reading. Main scale is also referred as pitch scale. In this case of screw gauge, pitch scale reading is 5 millimeter, or you can write it is 0.5 centimeters. And 0 of circular scale division coincides with 25 divisions above the reference level. So 0 coincidence, that is HSR, head scale reading is, head scale division is 25, because 25th line above the reference point, 25th line is coinciding with the 0 of the pitch scale or main scale. So HSR is 25. If the screw gauge has 0 error of minus 0.004 centimeter, so 0 error is minus 0.004 centimeter. If it is the 0 error, then the 0 correction will be just opposite of this value, that is plus 0.4 centimeter. If 0 error is minus 0.004 centimeter, then 0 correction is plus 0.004 centimeter. Then the correct diameter, so diameter is equal to PSR plus HSR into least count plus 0 correction. So this whole term is within a bracket. So PSR that we have mentioned, it is 0.5 plus HSR is 25 and least count is 0.001 centimeter plus 0 correction. So 0.5 plus 25 into 0.001 means 0.025 plus 0 correction is 0.004, that is 0.5 plus 0.029. Then the answer is 0.529. 0.529 is the correct answer. The options were 0.529, B 0.053, C 0.521, D 0.052. So here the correct option is 0.0529. So we have just gone through 3 problems.